Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale and I make videos on makeup, motherhood and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, the new year has started and I know everybody has all these plans and goals for the new year. So I decided to make a video all about manifestation because it has definitely worked for me in the past. So if you would like to know how I manifested my husband, my baby and my dream ring, then go ahead and stay tuned. Da, 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 da. Before we even go further, let me read you the definition of manifestation. So according to berkeley-wellbeing.com, the word manifestation means to create something or turn something from an idea into a reality. In psychology, manifestation generally means using our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to bring something to our physical reality. Okay, so I am a very prayerful person, and when I learned about manifestation, I felt that it goes hand in hand. It's really just reinforcement or physical reinforcement of a prayer, and I definitely, like I said, did it without knowing, but as soon as I was more knowledgeable of it, I definitely practice it more. So I'm going to give you guys 5 manifestation tips that definitely worked for me. Tip number 1 is to buy a book specifically for manifesting. Okay, I have written down all the things that I wanted in this one particular book. It's a coach book. I'm going to link it up here because I did do a video some months ago when I purchased the book, if you're interested, but it could be any book. I suggest buying a brand new book that's fresh. It doesn't have anything written in it already, just because I feel that it has no energy attached to it. Okay, I want you to attach good positive feelings to this book. This is a book that you are going to write all the things that you want for yourself, all the things that you wish to have and you want it to come into fruition. Point number 2 is sit in a place where there's nobody else, and I said nobody else because I want you to just be in your own positive mind frame, and sometimes other people's energy can mess up our own energy. Not saying that you are like surrounded with negative people that don't want good things for you, but you just don't know what anybody is going through in that particular moment when you would want to be manifesting, and you just need to be in a calm state. You just need to be in a positive state, and you just need to focus on the things that you are manifesting. So point number 1, get a book that is designated for manifestation, and point number 2 is to sit down in a quiet place in a positive mood when you are getting ready to manifest. Okay, step number 3 is write down all the things that you want as if you already had them. For example, I was writing down, I am a wife, I am in a happy, loving marriage, I have the ring of my dreams, I have a wonderful family, and I was very specific. So if I'm saying I have the ring of my dreams, I'm referring to this ring. So I'm saying I have a Vera Wang ring. I am the wife of my husband's name. I have a beautiful family with my husband's name and my son's name, and you speak it like it's already going on. Like you speak it like that is already your life, and you truly have to believe that that is your life and that you can attain those things. So you always have to remember, when you are manifesting, be in a positive mind frame and do not doubt yourself. Believe that you can truly achieve those things, because like the law of attraction states, if you believe it, you can achieve it, you can attract it, and that's what we want to do. Okay, it's really just about the law of attraction, like and like the self-fulfilling prophecy, like whatever you believe you can achieve, whatever you believe is yours can really be yours. Good attracts good. Then I would say, after you have written down the things that you want in in present tense. I want you to sit down in all of your thoughts, all of your positive energy, and just think of the things like they have already happened and how happy you are to achieve them and how proud you are of yourself, and just be happy and think about it and let that energy, you know, kind of just surround you for about 5 minutes. Then I would say the last thing is to set it and forget it. You write it down. Don't become obsessed with it. I usually write the date and the name, and then I just leave it alone. And I come back later and kind of remind myself of it. But usually, like I said, the things that I have manifested have come to pass. And you know, if it doesn't, that's fine too. I do believe that things do come in their own time, so don't just have us solely on manifesting and, oh, I wrote it down and never worked out. No, you know. And like I said before, I manifest and I pray, and I am very strong in my faith. So just like faith, just like prayer, when I pray, I let go and let God. It's a similar thing. So yeah, that's all the tips for this video. Or let me give you my little story time about manifesting my husband. In 2018, my husband and I started like talking as friends. It wasn't anything at all, but you know, as we started to talk more and more, feelings started to grow. I kind of like wrote my name next to his, like my full name and his full name, and then I wrote names that I would like if we ever had a son. It sounds crazy, I know. If we ever had a son, the names that I would like him to have. So I wrote my son's name next to my husband's last name, and I wrote all of our names down on one paper. I had a picture of it. I'll see if I can insert it in a clip. And then the next year I was pregnant. So like, it's crazy because I didn't think it would be easy for me to get pregnant because I was diagnosed with PCOS some years ago, but I manifested it without even knowing. And it's so crazy because like, they are just the greatest gifts that I have ever had in life. I also manifested my son by just saying that, you know, I want to have a baby. And I know a lot of women say that, but life and death does lie in the power of the tongue. So I always wanted to say that I always used to say that I wanted to get married and I wanted to have a family. So I think because I always used to just say them and like believe in my heart that I would have those things, that they did come to fruition. So I didn't even know I was manifesting at the time, but when I did learn about manifesting, I actually wrote those things down, like getting married and having the ring, and both of those things came to pass. And like I said, I wrote down my son's name, and that's the name that he has today. You know, it's crazy. So I do believe that those things can work, but if you are a person who believes in God and who has faith as well, prayer above everything. So yeah, that's all for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.